It happens sometimes we don't have any green vegetables or we don't want to make green vegetables. So we do have many things in the kitchen which we make a wonderful recipe. One of them is sev namkeen recipe. An incredibly humble accompaniment with the juicy tomato and desi masala. So let's start. In a pan, heat oil and add panch foran. Panch foran I already told you in my previous videos. Roast it for a while and add tomato paste. Here I make it tomato paste with green chili and a pinch of adrak or ginger. Add it and the rest of the water with spices I will add it. Stir it, and now I will add the rest of the spices. 2 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. If you want some more spicy, then you can add a pinch of garam masala also. Here I am avoiding it. And then stir well thoroughly and cook for a while and cover it and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes at the very low flame. And stir occasionally. See the masala cooking. Yeah, it's cooking. It's like bubble coming out. And again for 5 to 6 minutes, and see, in 10 minutes masala had perfectly cooked and it releases oil also. So at this stage I will add water, ample amount of water, don't worry. Sev namkeen will absorb water and it will get thick after some time. So I am here adding 2 glass of water and let it boil. See, the bubble has come out. At this stage I will add sev namkeen. This namkeen is very famous in India and you will get anywhere in the world also. So you can use number of sev namkeens are there, some thin, thick, spicy, non-spicy. So according your taste you can choose over there. I am adding 1 cup or 1 katori thick sev and 1 katori thin sev. Both sev is not very much spicy, it's only salty. So add it and let it cook for a while. In 2 or 3 minutes, yes, perfectly. The very much delicious smell and the perfect recipe is prepared. Now garnish it with green coriander leaves or cilantro and serve. So stay healthy and stay blessed. Try it in your kitchen and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new and wonderful recipes. Thanks for watching.